OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligence, and it's the process of gathering information from public sources. The OSINT Framework website is a great resource for anyone who wants to learn more about OSINT or who needs to gather information from public sources. This website is a free resource that lists a variety of tools and resources for gathering open source intelligence. The website is divided into different sections such as email addresses, social media, domain names, search engines, public records, documentation, and even phone numbers. Within each section, there are links to specific tools or resources that can be used to gather information. The OSINT Framework website is easy to use. Simply browse the different sections of the website to find the tools and resources that you need. Once you find a tool or resources that you are interested in, click on the link to learn more about it. The website also includes clear and concise instructions on how to use the tools and resources. The OSINT Framework website has a number of pros. It's a free resource, it's comprehensive, and it's easy to use. However, there are also a few cons to the website. The website can be a bit overwhelming at first, as there are so many tools and resources listed. Additionally, some of the tools and resources listed on the website require registration or offer more data for a fee. Overall, the OSINT Framework website is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn more about OSINT or gather information from public sources. I highly recommend checking it out.